Today, we have an incredible TRX, total resistance exercise training routine that will help you build strength, stability, and flexibility in 8 minutes. Whether a beginner or an advanced athlete, this workout will challenge you and take your fitness to the next level. So grab your TRX straps, and let's get started. Segment 1. Warm up. 1 minute. It's crucial to warm up your muscles. Start with a light jog or jump rope for 30 seconds to increase your heart rate. Then, perform dynamic stretches like arm circles, leg swings, and torso twists to loosen up your joints and increase mobility. Remember, an excellent warm-up prepares your body for the workout ahead, reducing the risk of injury. Segment 2. Upper body. 2 minutes. Focus on strengthening our upper body using the TRX straps. Begin by adjusting the straps to mid-length. Stand facing the anchor point, grab the handles, and walk a few steps forward. Let's start with inverted rows to target our back and biceps. Keep your body straight, engage your core, and pull your chest towards the handles. Repeat this movement for 45 seconds. Next, we'll move on to push-ups. Adjust the straps to a fully lengthened position and face away from the anchor point. Grab the handles, walk your feet forward, and align your body at an angle. Perform push-ups, maintaining a straight line from head to toe. This exercise engages your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Push yourself for 45 seconds. Segment 3. Lower body. 2 minutes. Time to shift our focus to the lower body. Shorten the straps to mid-length and stand facing the anchor point. Hold the handles with your palms facing inward and extend your arms in front of you for squats. Lower your body by bending your knees and pushing your hips back. Keep your chest up, and drive through your heels as you return to the starting position. Do as many squats as you can in 45 seconds. Now, target our hamstrings and glutes with TRX hamstring curls. Lie on your back, place your heels in the foot cradles, and lift your hips. Engage your core, bend your knees, and pull your heels towards your glutes. Extend your legs back out while maintaining control. Repeat this movement for 45 seconds. Segment 4. Core. 2 minutes. Engaging our core with some challenging TRX exercises is time. Adjust the straps to a fully lengthened position and avoid the anchor point. Place your feet into the foot cradles and assume a plank position. Hold this TRX plank for 30 seconds, engaging your abs, glutes, and shoulders. Now, transition into TRX mountain climbers. From the plank position, alternate bringing your knees towards your chest, focusing on maintaining a solid core and stable upper body. Perform this exercise for 45 seconds, keeping up a steady pace. Segment 5. Cool down. 1 minute. Fantastic work. Now it's time to cool down and stretch our muscles. Slowly walk towards the anchor point while holding the handles, allowing the TRX straps to support your weight. Gently pull your chest, arms, hamstrings, and calves. Take deep breaths, relax, and let your heart rate gradually decrease. And there you have it, an intense and effective 8-minute TRX training routine that targets your entire body. Consistency is key, so incorporate this workout into your weekly fitness regimen for optimal results. I love hearing from you, so comment and I will answer you back. As always, listen to your body and adjust the intensity of the exercises based on your fitness level. If you're new to TRX training, I'd like you to please take your time to familiarize yourself with the equipment and start with lighter resistance before moving to more challenging variations. Thank you for joining me today. Keep pushing yourself, stay committed, and remember that every small step towards your fitness goals counts. Until next time, stay strong and keep training. We'll see you in the next video.